Hi guys, welcome back to 876 and chill. And as you can see from the title down below, we're gonna play something today. We're gonna be playing Never Have I Ever. So guys, the reason why we decided to write it on our hand because when we use the paper, the screen get dark. Look.
So me get dark, and not she, and me get dark. So easiest way.
So we decided to we're gonna write them in a one.
Yeah.
And today we're playing Never Have I Ever Destination.
Yeah.
So if we have been there, we'll put up our hand. I have. And if we have not been there,
Never.
never. Let's get into it.
Who go first? Me or you?
Rock, paper, scissors.
Oh, rock, paper, scissors again. We have the rock, paper, scissors one like that.
Yeah. Rock, paper, scissors.
Oh, I go.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Who win?
Alright, yeah, go first, alright.
Alright, you go first. So she go first.
Alright, so never have I ever been to Blue Hole.
I have.
I have too.
Alright. Never have I ever been to Duns River Falls. I
I
have.
have.
Your turn.
Never have I ever been to a Buku Paradise Nature Park.
Never.
I have never. It's a place that we want to go.
Yeah.
It's in Trelawny, right?
No. Westmoreland.
Westmoreland. Yeah.
Westmoreland.
We want to go there soon. Hopefully, COVID will over soon and we can touch road.
Yeah, run go down.
That not go happen. That will never happen. You will never live to see that happen.
Alright. And never have I ever been on the Logos ship.
I have. That's the book ship. Listen, anybody that Jamaica don't know the book ship,
Yeah.
they never got good school.
And that, yeah, because every school trip you go,
Every school trip.
as big as it be, if that ship come right now,
Yeah, would I
you
go?
gone.
Gone.
Alright, your turn.
Never have I ever been to Green Grotto Cave.
I have.
I have.
Yeah.
We got up for a long time on school trip, but it was so much fun. We need to go back.
Yeah.
Would I go
It's kind of scary.
Yeah,
When
I'm
you're
gonna
young.
like the bat. The bat.
Oh, the Batman.
Yeah.
The Batman.
The Batman, they watch too much cartoon. Go on.
Alright, never have I ever been to Mahogany Beach.
We
Nice
did.
beach.
We went there to celebrate. So, you know, a little special something. How would it go then? We can insert some clips. We can insert clips. If we have clips, how would it go,
Can't
right?
find it. We can't
At different
find it.
places when we go, we can insert some clips. So we're going to show
Can't
you.
find it.
So yeah, we have been to Mahogany Beach.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Never have I ever been to Salt River Pond. I have.
No
One
way.
nice little spot. It crowded, I'm going to be, but it's still nice. They're clearing land, they're just on the roadside. It's a river, but the water is salty. You know, nice little place, cool little vibe, themselves food, this, that. Good little hang spot.
Never have I ever been to Rick's Cafe.
Wait, yeah.
I have been there,
You have
but
been
it wasn't for recreation. I was at work and I was passing, so I stopped by there.
I've never been there. I know Sir Remain really want to go back. The mountain talks them want to go, but we just haven't found the time as yet.
Yeah, probably nice.
So, never have I ever been to Blue Mountain Peak.
Never.
I have.
Never.
You don't go see your hand.
Oh, see, it's a never.
So it was back when I was in college. I went there with
College students.
no, it was a college student, but it was with a Christian group. I did have to remember the abbreviation. It was fun, but it hungry though. Me I insert one picture and me and beg no, don't laugh. I did hungry when I take that picture here. I did just hike up the hill, reach to the top. My hike during the night, go up at the top and come back down. I come back down by midday. I did hungry. Just
Billions.
listen. Then they provide breakfast on because the first of the night.
So then,
Wow.
if I'm like cold, all them have a light fire.
I put it on like that. What it does, remember them have the alright, halfway, them have a camp here, right? So you could have stop. So one set height go up first, which I was in the first set, and then in the night where I go up and then the second set height come down in the morning.
Oh.
I go up in the morning.
Oh.
So the second set, then they did when breakfast, cook and everything. So them eat and go up the hill. When me I come back down the hill, stop some of them. When we are come back down the hill and me reach down, them are gonna make me know say a bread back and tea left. We are going bread back and tea. So I'm very upset when I see that picture here where I got insert. Yeah, me and my one eye cool. I'm really upset.
Bread back.
And I'm not doing nobody after the clothes. Please, me that freeze, me that one layers of clothes just.
I don't need to go, I need to
No,
take a trip
say.
out there. I can't go Hollywood and cold that Hollywood.
Colder. Just no say.
Alright.
Up the nice.
Alright. Next trip, Blue Mountain.
Mhm.
Peak. Alright. Never have I ever went to YS Falls.
We have been to YS Falls. I've been there twice.
Go more than you then.
No more than me. Go there two times. Go there the first time when they open and then we go back the other time we do the trip. And we're gonna insert some clips again.
Got it like 3 times.
It was really fun.
Nice. The pool nice. Like,
Very nice.
yeah, the pool nice.
Am I turn?
Yeah, your turn.
Okay. Never have I ever been to Pelican Bar.
Ah. Never.
Now we wanted to go to Pelican Bar when we went to Lashlin. You can click back and watch the video there. But it did too expensive the boat ride from that area, the island, to get to Pelican Bar. I couldn't afford it. I could not. So next time when we can go on the boat from, I think it's a Pelican Lookout, when we can go from that side, then we will go. Your turn.
Alright. Never have I ever been to the Black River Safari. Never. More go. Like,
Yeah, I want to go feed the alligator there, but it's open up by that man. They can't feed alligator on it.
you're not black. Black
Of
people
course.
not gonna hear them thing there.
I'm
They
black. Oh my god. Never have I ever been to Cane River Falls.
Oh, I have. We can live so. Walking distance.
Exactly. The last time I come here, I was a little girl, and you know what I remember when I got this song? My sandwich is the washer. If you don't realize, yeah, I link food to everything. My sandwich is the washer, my ball. You're lucky.
Poor.
You're
I
there.
have family that side, so yes. Never have I ever been to Winifred Beach. Everybody's supposed to know Winifred
everybody.
Beach.
From your picnic, you go to
Yeah, that
school
little,
trip.
yeah, and the little freshwater runners so cool, like, yeah, a little fish them in there. Yeah.
Never have I ever been to Laughing Waters.
Never.
Never.
I want to go.
Yeah, I wanna go to.
I'll look for it, you know. Never have I ever been to Guts River. Guts River.
No, we did just drive past.
Yeah. Just drive past.
We discovered Guts River when we went on our little drive out.
To
and we went
Alligator
to,
Pond.
Yeah, we went to Alligator Pond and we ended up driving
Canoe Valley.
through our Discover Canoe Valley. You guys can check out that video. The link will be up top to that video.
Your turn.
Yeah. Never have I ever been to glistening waters.
No, I'm gonna drive past it.
Drive past is not it.
Drive work. I'm gonna drive past.
So yeah.
Place, yeah.
I've always wanted to go to glistening water. I find it fascinating. Hopefully.
I eat them so light up a
Yeah.
night time. Yeah.
Mhm.
They can swim in the water.
Yep. Hopefully by that time I can swim. You know, hopefully by that time a girl can swim. Although I'm an island girl, I can't swim. I live on an island surrounded by water and I can't swim.